Less than 2 hours from Cape Town lies the magical region of the Overberg. A unique landscape of fynbos-covered contours and beautifully textured coastlines. In the heart of this majestic floral kingdom is a private nature reserve dedicated to sustaining this delicate World Heritage Site for generations to come. Every year, one particular plant transforms the landscape into a canvas of unbelievable pink. Found nowhere else in the world, this rare Erica irregularis joins in as the whole wilderness comes alive. Animals and insects feast on the flowers. Ancient milkwoods glow with vitality in the morning dew. The crystal clear ocean bustles with marine life. And ever-changing clouds paint sunsets across the endless horizon. This is the secret season at Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, a rare time when nature parades in all her beauty. Immerse yourself in another world. Harvest your own honey from the hives in the fynbos. Pick your own organic vegetables and prepare them with a chef. Forage for mussels on the rocky coast and indulge in the freshest seafood cuisine. Enjoy the finest dining experiences whilst tasting an array of local award-winning wines. Find adventure in the sprawling floral wilderness, or take to the sea and witness the unforgettable marine Big Five. Wind down in elegant comfort with breathtaking views over the ocean. Or just stare into the warm glow of dancing flames under a starry sky. Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, the secret season.